Earlier today, the people of the northwest coast came out in their hundreds to farewell the Tasman on her last day. The southern-bound train, which left Wynyard at 9:30 this morning, was filled mainly by school groups, although about 50 adults boarded at Burnie. A steady stream of motorists also drove past the Burnie station to get a final glimpse of one of the state's best-known transport services. The tremendous response also prompted railway officials to add extra passenger carriages. Normally the Tasman carried 2 passenger cars. Today she pulled 5. At lunchtime, one Northwest station master predicted that by the time the Tasman arrived at Hobart this evening, about 1,000 passengers would have travelled at least one leg today. As the same station master said, why didn't the Tasmanian people react like this a few weeks ago?